Having trouble signing in to Zoom. Whether you're getting an incorrect password error, not receiving verification codes, facing authentication problems, or simply can't access your account, there are several ways to fix it. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom login issues in 2026. First, double-check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect characters when entering your login information. If you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Password option and follow the instructions to create a new one. Be sure to check your inbox and spam folder for the reset email. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Zoom from authenticating your account. Try refreshing your connection or switching to another network if available. If your account uses two-factor authentication, make sure you're entering the correct verification code before it expires. If codes aren't arriving, check your authentication app or linked device. Older versions of Zoom can sometimes cause sign-in problems. Install the latest version of the application and then try logging in again. If the desktop app isn't working, attempt to sign in through Zoom's website. This can help determine whether the issue is related to your account or the application itself. If login issues continue, clear Zoom's cached data or uninstall and reinstall the application. This can resolve corrupted settings that may be blocking access. And that's how to fix Zoom login issues in 2026. By checking your credentials, resetting your password, updating Zoom, and verifying authentication settings, you can solve most sign-in problems quickly. So follow these steps and get back into your Zoom account without frustration. Thanks for watching.